In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Zelle branches and ATMs near you. Now, you might already know that Zelle isn't a bank and doesn't have physical branches or ATMs. Instead, it's a digital payment service that's integrated into the apps of participating banks and credit unions. So, if you're expecting to find a Zelle branded ATM or branch similar to those of Chase or Bank of America, you won't. However, you can use Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website. If you're looking for a bank or credit union that offers Zelle, or you need to find an ATM for your bank that accommodates Zelle transactions, here's how you can do it. First, you need to determine which bank you are using Zelle with. Zelle is available through many major US banks. If you are already using Zelle, it's likely linked to one of your bank accounts. Some of the common banks that offer Zelle include Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Capital One, US Bank, PNC, Truist, and Regions Bank. To check if your bank supports Zelle, have a look at your bank's mobile app. If Zelle is integrated, you should find it there. Next, once you've pinpointed which bank you're using with Zelle, the next step is to find your nearest branch or ATM. Start by going to your bank's website or opening the mobile app. Most banks have a tool labeled Locations or Find a Branch/ATM to help you with this. Enter your zip code or city name into the search bar and you'll get a list of nearby locations. Banks like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, and US Bank, for instance, have locator tools on their websites to assist you in finding the nearest branch or ATM quickly. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using Google Maps, you can do that too. Simply type the name of your bank followed by Near Me into the Google Maps search bar. For example, typing Chase Bank Near Me will show you all the nearby branches and ATMs. Google Maps will provide you with directions and other details, making it a handy option when you're on the go. Now, what if your bank doesn't offer Zelle? Don't worry, you can still use Zelle by downloading the Zelle app and signing up with a Visa or MasterCard debit card that is linked to a US bank account. This way, Zelle remains accessible to anyone, even if their bank isn't directly partnered with the service. For more information on getting started, you can visit their official websites at zellepay.com/getstarted. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding Zelle-compatible bank locations and ATMs. Whether through bank locators or trusted Google Maps, these methods will ensure you can efficiently manage your Zelle transactions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.